remedies for typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial infectious disease that can cause food poisoning. Typhoid can be a life-threatening disease if not handled properly. If it isn't treated properly, it may cause death, as the typhoid's annual death ratio is estimated to be up to 1 in 5 people. In this video, you'll get information about deadly factors. Moreover, some simple and proven home remedies to treat typhoid that you must try before visiting your doctor, a few precautionary measures, and lastly, we will guide you when to visit the doctor. Factors causing typhoid. All around the world, almost 11 to 20 million people get affected by typhoid as per reports of WHO. So what might be the factors that are involved in it? Let us have a look at major factors causing typhoid. Unhygienic conditions, contaminated food, drinking filthy water, getting in touch with a typhoid carrier. Typhoid can be treated with some easy and simple home remedies very easily. Let us have a bird's eye view of all those remedies. Take rest. Anyone who has been diagnosed with typhoid must stay away from any kind of active work from 7 to 14 days. The patient must save the energy to fight with the disease that can be deadly if not addressed early. Consume a lot of liquids. An intake of fresh juices is highly recommended. It will not only keep up with the bodily needs of water, but also provide many essential vitamins and minerals to keep the patient internally strong. As typhoid can cause diarrhea, so drinking fluids sip by sip can help fighting it too. Garlic. Garlic has some special antioxidant properties that can purify the blood. It not only boosts up the immune system, but also helps the kidney to remove unwanted toxins from the inside. How to use it? Eating raw garlic or semi-cooked can be very useful. Apple cider vinegar. Typhoid patients must use it as it brings down the degree of fever quickly. Use: grab a glass of water, add a 1/4 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and add some honey to taste. There you go, all set to have an energizing drink that will take out heat from your body. Basil. These tiny green leaves can save lives. It is enriched with antibacterial properties. Use: it can be infused to get a hot cup of tea from it twice or thrice a day. Add some honey to taste. Take 3 to 4 leaves and make a smooth paste. Add some black pepper in it and add a few strands of saffron. Divide this mixture into 3 portions and consume it in a full day. Take this paste before every meal of the day for better results. Eat bananas. Bananas are filled with magnesium, potassium, dietary fibers, and vitamin C. It can provide 10 to 12% of daily fiber for the body. How to use it? Eat nicely ripe bananas twice a day. Cloves. Cloves are highly antioxidant, antibacterial, and full of minerals and nutrients. It kills bacteria real fast. That's why dentists recommend using tubes of toothpaste with clove as an ingredient. Use: eat 2 cloves after meals. Boil 6 to 8 cloves and drink the cup of water, recommended after meals. Cold compress. It must not be ignored that the patient's body must have a normal temperature. A cold compress can help to achieve normal body temperature easily. Use: take a clean cloth and dip it in water. Put that dampened cloth on the forehead, hands, armpits, and feet of the patient. The water must not be too cold. Change the cloth once in a while to keep up the good hygiene. Things to avoid. If you are facing the ailment, stop consuming any of these items: sugar, coffee, dairy, processed foods, meat, any kind of sweetened beverages, food from street vendors. When to see the doctor? Although the remedies and preventions are proven helpful to cure typhoid, one must not blindly rely on these if any visible positive progress is not seen in the patient's health. Secondly, if someone has recently traveled to any area of the world that has a high ratio of this disease or has gone through some areas with poor hygiene, he or she must consult the doctor. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.